Something massive happened on Feb 4, 2026. The IT stocks took a sudden sharp decline. The reason? AI stopped just chatting but actually started working. Anthropic just released Claude 4.6 Sonnet and new plugins for Claude Cowork. And honestly, it scared the market. See, for the last 3 years, we have been using ChatGPT and Gemini. They are able to follow our instructions and give us advices. But Claude Cowork is different. It has access to your personal files, your desktop, your browser, and it can execute tasks that a junior employee used to do previously. But here's a catch. It is locked behind a $100 per month subscription plan, and it is only for Mac. In this video, I'm going to talk everything about Claude 4.6, why it's a game changer, and I'm going to give you a free alternative which can work on any platform. Let's go. First, let's talk about the brain behind this. Claude 4.6 isn't just faster. It features something new called adaptive thinking. Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, which gives direct answers, Claude 4.6 can now pause, think, and then give you the correct answer. It realizes if it has made a coding error, fixes it before showing you the result. This makes it lethal for complex enterprise tasking. Then there is the memory. Claude 4.6 has massive 1 million context window. To put that into perspective, you can upload an entire code base of 50 different PDF contracts and it will remember every single line. ChatGPT and Gemini usually cap out way lower for users. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your creative friend, Gemini is your research advisor who has everything of Google, and Claude 4.6 is your senior engineer who sits quietly in the corner and gets everything done without any errors. Now let's get to the controversial part. Claude Cowork. This is a feature that spooked the markets. Right now it is in a research mode, so it can be rough on edges. It has a $100 per month subscription plan and it is only for Mac users. But for that price, you get access to 11 specialized plugins. These aren't just chatbots. These are AI agents that connect to your real data. Take the legal plugin. You can drop a 100-page NDA plugin into it. It will not only just summarize it, it will actually audit it. It will highlight the risky clauses in red and the safe ones in green. This is the work that used to cost $500 per hour in legal fees. Or the finance plugin. You give it a folder of massive CSV and spreadsheets containing the transactional data. It can reconcile them and build a detailed waterfall in seconds. It is basically doing the work of a junior accountant. This is why the market is reacting. If an AI can do the job of 3 junior analysts, companies are going to change how they hire. But what if you don't have a Mac? What if you can't pay $100 per month? This is where open source community comes in. I didn't want to be left out because I'm on Windows, so I found this, AionUI. It is a free repository on GitHub that can replicate the Cowork style using your local computer. The best part, it's just simple. You don't have to do a complex coding. You can just use your Google account and authenticate. Let me show you 3 real things I did with it today. First of all, desktop cleaner. I just gave it a folder on my desktop which had some messy files and asked it to reorganize them. Now watch. It will move the files, create the folders, and reorganize them according to their type. No prompting, just execution. Next, data analysis. If you have watched my last short, which you can find above in the eye icon, I had made a stock dashboard which you can export to an Excel also. Usually I would have to upload the Excel to a Gemini or ChatGPT, which is a privacy risk. Here Aion will access it locally on my desktop. I asked it to analyze the trends and boom, it reads all the rows and gives me a quick summary. Last part, which is my favorite, I asked it to take the same summary and compose a Gmail. It automatically connected to my Gmail, understood the context, and wrote this draft. All I had to fill in was my name and the recipient email address and click on send. If you don't want to explicitly give permission to every step, you can go on settings and enable this option. See, you don't always need an expensive enterprise level tool. The open source community tools can do everything for you. AionUI just shows you how Agentic AI, or the AI that does work for you, is accessible for everyone right now. Now a quick reality check. Whether you use AionUI or Claude Cowork, these tools are still new. They can make mistakes. That's why they are in preview mode. Don't trust them blindly with your life savings or your own private data. But the shift has happened. We are done with just chatting. 2026 is the year of co-working. If you're not learning how to manage AI agents today, you're going to struggle to compete tomorrow. I put the link to the Aion GitHub repo and the full list of 11 Claude Cowork plugins in the description. Hit the like button if you found this breakdown helpful and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'm tracking the AI revolution so you don't have to. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.